In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI. This entire process is straightforward and can be completed in just about 5 minutes. So whether you're looking to create a professional report, a newsletter, or perhaps an academic essay, using Gemini AI to generate your content can significantly streamline the workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Gemini. If you aren't familiar, Google Gemini is an advanced AI platform designed to help you create and manage content with ease. Once you're in, the platform's main interface will greet you. It's intuitive, so you should have no trouble finding your way around. Make sure that you are connected to the internet since Gemini requires online access to operate. Next, you'll be asking Gemini to create the content that you need. This is the fun part. Simply interact with the AI by inputting your instructions or prompts for the type of document or content you wish to generate. Whether it's a few bullet points you want expanded or a fresh piece of writing you need from scratch, just let Gemini know. The AI will then work its magic and, in a short time, present the content back to you, tailored to your specifications. With your text ready, you're not quite done yet. You now need to look for the three-dot menu on the interface. It's usually located on the top right corner, so keep an eye out for it. Once you find it, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to select Export to Docs. This choice will send your polished content into Google Docs, a reliable platform many are already familiar with for document creation and editing. Google Docs not only offers a suite of powerful editing tools, but also assures your document is saved automatically to your Google Drive, making it easily accessible later on any device. Now that your document is in Google Docs, you're just a couple of steps away from having your PDF. Navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner of Google Docs. This menu opens up numerous options regarding your document, including sharing, importing, and exporting. Among the options presented, you'll want to head straight to the Download submenu, where you'll find the Download as PDF option. Click on this, and almost instantly, your document will be converted into a PDF format and downloaded onto your device. PDFs are versatile in terms of maintaining formatting and can be easily shared across different platforms, making them an ideal choice for formal and final copies of your work. Congratulations! You've successfully created a PDF document using Gemini AI. This method not only saves time, but also simplifies content creation and documentation, enhancing productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insightful tips and tricks.